छा गई हरियाली रेगिस्तान में, जाग उठे मुर्दे कब्रिस्तान में, दर्द मिला पत्थरों में मुझे, दर्द मिला पत्थरों में मुझे, मगर ना मिला इंसानियत इंसान में. My dear brothers and sisters, this is exactly what is happening in our country today. Incidents after incidents, incidents after incidents, and we are quiet. First Dadri in UP, then Una in Gujarat, and now Alwar in Rajasthan. If you are unaware of what I'm speaking and talking about, I'll tell you what exactly happened in these three states of our country. In the year 2015, a man named Akhlaq in Dadri in UP was killed by these so-called Gorakshaks because they thought that he was storing beef in his house. And after this incident, the BJP minister Mahesh Sharma says that this is just an accident and should not be given the name of communal violence. And the whole country keeps quiet and accepts this as an accident and thinks that it will not happen again. But sadly, again in the year 2016 in Gujarat, in Una, 4 Dalit men were chained to the car, stripped off their clothes and were beaten in public. Why? Because they were skinning a dead animal. Because they were skinning the skin of a dead cow, a cow that died its natural death. And again, the whole nation keeps quiet, thinking that this is just an accident and will not happen in future. But sadly, again in 2017 in Alwar in Rajasthan, a man named Pehlu Khan is killed by these so-called Gorakshaks because they thought that he is a cow smuggler. But sadly, he was just a dairy farmer who earned his living by selling the milk of the cow. And the BJP minister says that it's a mistake on both the part. And again, the whole nation is quiet, thinking that this is just an accident and will not happen in future. I am in a shock after this incident. I am in a shock. What logic? A man kills another man for an animal? Where is our education taking us towards? My brothers and sisters, try and understand the hypocrisy of this government that bans beef in UP, that bans beef in Rajasthan, that bans beef in Gujarat, but does not ban it in Northeast and Kerala. Their purpose is not to ban beef, but to divide people. Let us not forget that the Britishers could take over our country only because even back then we were divided on the basis of caste and religion. And this is exactly what this government is doing. It is trying to divide people and rule. It is trying to divide and rule. So I ask the secular people of this country to stand up and speak against this communal violence, to stand up and speak against this government. Because if you do not speak today, these incidents will increase, and tomorrow it might even happen with you. I would like to end by quoting a small शायरी in Urdu. जहाँ भी देखो वीरान नजर आता है, खून में डूबा हर इंसान नजर आता है. कैसा है ये वक्त, कैसा है ये वक्त कि दिन के उजाले में भी नहीं इंसान को इंसान नजर आता है.